Thought I'd share with you the process of repairing a couple snap-on ratchets here. These are fairly old. This one's from around 81 on the date code there. I don't know if everybody knows it. There's a date code here on some of these older ones. Newer ones, let's see, right there. And then you can get a chart and look it up and it'll tell you for the year range in which the ratchet was made. Let's get into it. This one here works going one way, not the other. I opened it up previously and the paw's cracked on one side. This older one here, it's had some metal shavings. It's lost a couple teeth. I'm a home user, don't have a truck, don't have a rep, but it's still easy enough. You could just call Snap-on. Let them know what's going on. They'll send you rebuild kits for them. Comes with pretty much everything you need. It's got the new gear, it's got a cover, new pawl, gaskets, new screws. Even comes with lube there to lube them back up when you're done. So it's pretty simple. You got two screws in here. Take those out. This one has a hard pull back. The other one, there's a piece that's pressed in here that we'll have to press out. We're gonna do this one first, and I'm gonna try to do it where you can see. So first thing I'm gonna do is take these screws out here. Now, there we go. This ought to get it. There we go. That's the case there, front cover. See if I can show you guys this. If I can find it. May not be able to see it this way. I may have to show you when I get it out. That's the original gear. Doesn't look too terrible. So there's a little spring-loaded pawl in there. So when you pull this pawl out, you got to be careful or it'll go shooting across the room. Here's the new gear and the old gear. Oh, well, you can see that. This one's got some shiny spots on it. It wasn't in terrible shape. It was mostly the pawl that was busted on it and wouldn't let it go in one direction. It would slip going reverse, I believe. That's the pawl there that changes direction. And then this one doesn't have the actual ball bearing on the spring. It's actually got a detent here on a spring. I'm pretty sure this has a actual ball. It might be a detent. We're fixing to find out. See real close in there, you can see broke piece of metal. One of the teeth that had come off of there. So there's the old paw. You can see where it's chewed up right there, which was causing it to slip. See, new, old. See, this is what I was talking about with the ball bearing and the spring on the inside there. To the spring. So the newer, on the rebuild kit, they send you one, and it's a spring and got away from me, with a detent, so it kind of sits down in there, a little easier to keep hold of, I guess. All right, so now you can see it's completely stripped. Everything's out of it. I'm gonna clean it up, get it all shiny on the inside, and then I'll get back with you. We'll start putting it back together. All right, so we've got this one all cleaned out, ready to start it. The parts list that came with it is new gear, new switch, spring and detent, gasket, and new screws. So, yeah, they list what part kit it's for, what it goes to. So what I'm probably gonna do is, this part's bad. This one, it's seen better days, but it works. The spring and the ball, that's all fine on this one. So is the lever. Nothing wrong with the screws. Oop, there went my ball. And then the original backing plate will get reused. But I'm gonna take those parts that are still good and put them in the little bag that came in, tape it up, store it away. You know, if something ever happens and I need one of those parts, maybe I can reuse them. All right, so first things first, we'll put our seal in here. Go ahead and set it off to the side. Start lubing everything up. As we'll start. I'll start here. Just putting the lever back in. And I'm going to try to put the spring and detent in behind that. I think it might make it a little bit easier than trying to force it in. Maybe not. We'll find out. I think it's really cool that they actually provide you lubricant. There's a new paw. So here's where I'm gonna have to beat that detent in. Try not to shoot myself in the eye. Let's see, let's get it turned in the same direction. It should work. All right, so got the paw in there, got it all lubed up on the surface on each side, wherever there's metal contact. Kind of worked it back and forth a little bit. Make sure she's gonna work. Clean this up a bit. Drop that in there. Probably couldn't see what I did, but I just turned the pawl kind of straight, I guess, so the teeth could line up, get in there. Put some grease on top, maybe, since there's some left. It's as simple as that. You start it. So, simple as that. I got a sock up here. Oh, no more slippage. So, get the other one taken care of. So, simple as that. I got a sock up here. Oh, no more slippage. So, get the other one taken care of.